Let's learn the clone method here. Let's say we have a dot with a heading inside it, like the one we wrote here. There is a heading and a paragraph inside it. And along with it, or somewhere else in the whole page, there is another div or some other tag. I want this heading to be copied here. In this way, this is a copying function, meaning it is a duplicating function. For this, we have a special method in jQuery, which we call clone. This is the function of clone, copying another object and putting it somewhere else. Let's see how we use it practically here. How to make views, see here. Here we have a custom document, and here there is a heading at the top. Below we have two columns. The first column is green. It has a heading. It means a subheading and a dummy paragraph. And in the second column, we have also put a paragraph. The heading of the paragraph is copied and put in the second column. See what I will do for this. Here, let me first show you one thing. We have appelé. We have put an ID on it, box. And on the second table, we have put a box. And on the bottom button, we have also put an ID, clone button. So I start my practical. First of all, I take my script tag here, and inside the script tag, I first write the most basic code of my G-code recover, which is document. Ready. I put a function inside it, so first of all I will target this button. On its click I will run an event, click event. See here I have taken the ID of the clone button. I make a selector for it here. First, and here I took the hash because it is an ID, and on it I put a click event here. See this? I put a function inside it. Now I have here what we have box 1, meaning that the box is called do. Its heading is this S2 up. See here I have taken it H2. I want to copy it and put it in another depth, meaning that in box 2, see for that first I will target S2. Here I took the selector, the box and the H2 inside it. See I took it here and made it here, cloned it. It is cloned. Now after cloning it, where do I put it? So I take that 2 with it, here I take. I can also do up and to, so now I'm prepending and showing you. I saved the file here and look, as soon as I clicked on it, it got prepended here. Now I'm going to copy the paragraph of this diff and append it here and show you. For that, I'll quote this button. I'll take this selector. Now in here I took the paragraph that is coming. I cloned it inside the box, and here I wrote up, and to append to means at the very end, it will be appended. Here I give you my selector, and the name of the selector is box 2. Look, I saved the file now I clicked on here. Look, what we had in the first line, he prepended it. Look, he prepended it here, and the second line was the paragraph of the box, meaning this paragraph he appended it here, you're seeing. Thanks watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe.